Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. Alright, so I'm doing this video for Toyota and Lexus owners. If you guys have this issue, and this is a common issue with Toyota and Lexus. So you guys, if you guys get a code for traction control in VSC, I'm gonna give you guys an easy fix for it if you guys are searching for a fix. It's a funny thing because if you guys get these two codes, no, these are not codes. These are it's a check engine light, and you guys are gonna get the traction control and the VSC light on your dash. All right, you guys get those two lights on your dash with a check engine light, and you guys can't figure out a fix for it because normally what happens is the traction control and the VSC light comes on, and a lot of times it's associated with the ABS, it's connected, and a lot of times those lights come on because your computer is reading that your car is at some point wasn't stable, or swirling or whatever, and those lights come on. If for whatever reason you guys did not have a situation where your car hit a bump or had to swirl out the way or something, or if it's raining out and you guys are driving and you guys hit a metal, you guys drive, your tire swerves on a metal pothole, and if none of those situations come up and you guys get these lights, and these lights are essentially on your dash all the time, you've probably tried a couple of things. You've probably tried to fill up your reservoir. Maybe your brake reservoir was filled up already. Maybe if you tried to fill up your brake reservoir trying to fix that situation and it doesn't do anything, or if you guys done what other people have done where they've actually taken the line off the battery, the cable off the battery, and waited maybe a couple minutes and try to see whether the VSC and the traction control light resets itself. And if you guys have no luck with that whatsoever, here's a fast and possibly weird, simple fix for you guys. All right, a lot of times you guys get this situation. If you guys get an OBD2 scanner, you guys plug it in, it's gonna come up with codes for evap leak, probably ABS, probably a couple other codes. And in this situation, strangely enough, if you guys know anything about cars these days, with the amount of electronics that's in vehicles, everything is connected to something, and oddly enough, if you probably don't think one thing has anything to do with another. I've seen these situations where a glove box light that went out actually affected a no start issue on a car. This was a Mercedes. We all know that those cars are extremely electronically sensitive, and have a lot of electronics in them. But this is for Toyota and Lexus. If you guys have this situation, I'm gonna tell you guys what you want to do. All right, if you guys have this situation, what you guys need to do is you guys need to definitely check to make sure that your gas cap is tight. Make sure that your gas cap is tight, and you guys are probably gonna second guess me on this and saying, what does a tightened gas cap or a gas cap of a bad gasket have anything to do with the car's traction control and the VSC light coming on your dash, with evap, with an ABS code for the ABS and evap issues? And like I said before, you guys could definitely try this out. It's a common issue with Lexuses and Toyota, and a lot of people have actually fixed this traction control and VSC light issue on the dash by actually changing out the gas cap. Maybe your gas cap is is old. Maybe your car's a little bit on the older end. Your gas cap is old. The gasket on the gas cap's worn out. It some gases from the tank is actually leaking out, and the car itself reads it, and for whatever reason it triggers something else on the car's computer, the ECU, the PCM, and because of that it might trigger something else, which triggered the traction control and triggered the VSC light to come on. If you guys do follow this, you guys can buy a new gas cap, change out the gas cap. You guys can get it at AutoZone or Advance Auto. I think Walmart even sells it. It goes from dealership. They're not very expensive. It's an easy fix. This does actually solve your issue. Change out the gas cap and turn your car back on. Drive it for a little bit. See if it turns off by itself. If not, disconnect the battery cable from your cable, your battery cable from the battery, and for about a couple of minutes put it back in and see if it works. Like I said, I know this is a very, very strange fix for a situation like this, but it has fixed these situations is what I'm saying. All right, guys, hope this has helped you guys out with this particular issue. If you guys have any comments, particularly on this particular situation, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. It might help somebody else out. It might give other people some insight onto some other fixes for this problem. All right, guys, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. All that good stuff, right, guys? Take care.